Good day on the 4th of November from Forex Info US. We've had some more interesting moves with the euro. We've finally got confirmation of our high that I've been waiting for the last couple of weeks. So let's have a look at the daily chart and I'll explain why I'm so confident. Yesterday we had a full day's bar below this major trend line that this pair has been following since March. It does touch and very slightly move above, but I do believe that tiny little touch there isn't enough to discount the fact that the vast majority of it sits below that trend line. So it's been hovering around it for the last few days. Yesterday we see it pretty much all below, and today so far not much movement. So because of that, because of the length of time it's hovered below, and because of having pretty much a full bar below it, I'm going to call an end to this wave 5 within C and call this top here 1.5064 on the 23rd of October. We're not going to see anything posted higher than that for a very long time now, and I'm pretty confident that that's going to be the case. So we have an end to this upwards movement, we have a high of wave 5 within C, and we have a beginning of a new downwards trend. So far in this downwards trend we can see a nice 5 waves down, we can see a slightly messy sideways choppy retracement to just above the 0.5 Fibonacci ratio. Didn't quite make the 0.618 as I said it may do yesterday, and that may very well be testament to a lot of downward pressure. If this portion of my wave count so far is correct, and I will allow room for future adjustment as the waves develop, this is still open to some interpretation. If this is correct at the moment, however, we're in a third wave down, and like I said in yesterday's video, third waves are the longest, the strongest and the steepest. So if this is correct, we could expect to see quite a lot of significant downward pressure for the rest of this week before we see a little retracement. So far it's been trading in this trend channel. We could expect this to widen a bit, but generally this is going to be the direction it's going to go in. So that's all we've got to say about the euro so far today. We can expect, it's just, actually I do want to say one more thing. Yesterday's European session it moved sharply downwards, and then in the New York session it traded choppily back up to just under the 0.618 Fibonacci ratio. I'm expecting that during the Asian session today it's probably not going to have too much movement. If it does, it may start to move down, but I am looking for in the next New York session or the next maybe European session this afternoon, I'm expecting perhaps to see some more sharp downwards movement. We had a sharp down Fibonacci retracement, we're looking for another down. I really don't think it's going to break above this upper trend line, but I will allow that it could and expand its trend. So that's the short-term outlook, a little bit less confident on that one than the longer-term outlook, which is down. And that's all from us today at Forex Info US. May all your trades be profitable and have a good day.